Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and picking an experiment to work with. I recommend SongMaker for immediate results. Once selected, set tempo and scale so the sounds fit your goal. This affects mood and key. Now adjust the grid size to match the length you want and choose an instrument or synth. Begin placing notes or beats. Short clicks build rhythm, longer notes make melody. Keep it simple and listen between changes to guide the next step. Once you have a bass loop, layer parts to create depth. Add a bass line, percussion, and a higher melody. Use instrument swaps and effects to contrast sections. This gives each layer a role. Make edits by duplicating bars, moving notes, and quantizing to fix timing. Small adjustments change feel dramatically. Experiment with volume balance and panning so instruments don't clash, and listen through transitions. If a section feels empty, add a subtle rhythm. To finish, play the full arrangement and tweak mix levels so no part overpowers the rest. Use repeats to check flow. When satisfied, export the audio or copy the share link to save and distribute your piece. If export or playback fails, make sure your tab has audio enabled, then reload the page. Clearing cache or trying a different browser often resolves persistent issues. If recording quality is poor, lower tempo and re-record in smaller sections to preserve clarity and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.